Yo, happy 4th of July, everybody! Your favorite loser is recording a video for y'all. This is going up tomorrow on the 5th, so as you're watching this, if you do watch it, I hope you guys had a safe and hella fucking nelk 4th of July, because I'm nelking it up recording this. No, I'm not nelking it, bro. Bro, I'm fucking tired as shit. I woke up at 8, um, drove like 3 hours home, stopped at the casino, watched Canada lose the World Cup, took a shit there, got gas, and then came home, did some yard work, fucking, uh, holy fuck, that was loud, dude. The fireworks are going crazy right now, and they're banned where I am, which is like, bro, like, come on, follow the fucking rules. I am. I'm recording a video, and I finna play probably Valorant after this. Hopefully, through this video, I can smack down like 4 beers. I already got 2 in. That'll get me like a good buzz. Holy flex. Sheesh. But yeah. So welcome everybody. This is gonna be a long ass video, I'm not gonna lie. I really do not want to edit this. And I mean I'll edit it a little bit, but because I'm recording at 10 o'clock and and I upload at noon every other day, and this is gonna be a long ass video, I'm not really gonna edit. I'm just gonna edit to where it's sensitive information for me that I can't get exposed, like API keys and shit. That's where the editing is going to be. But um, I have briefly mentioned in previous videos that I would do a N8N bootcamp. So I showcased. Oh my god, I'm breathing so loud. So I have showcased all of these. Now, for these are part of what you can build to start an AI automation agency. Fuck, man. Maybe 2 beers is enough. Shit. Anyways, but all of these are, you know, inbound, outbound workflows that you can use for your agency and what you can do. This is you could sell this pretty much to people. That's what I do. But so we're this boot camp. I showcased all of them, but I'm actually going to take you step by step to build them. Like none of this like oh like you need to buy my fucking course to like learn how to build this shit. Like it's not that hard. Like these took no videos. I didn't watch a single video on N8N. Pretty much Claude just wrote like everything for me, to be honest, and then I just inputted it. But I mean, still, bro, I did hard work. Come on now, I did hard work. But I'll be taking you through this boot camp. I'll probably post one boot camp a week for this month because I got to get my other videos out and I kind of want to space this out a little bit. If you guys like this, hopefully you guys like this. I think this is a very useful thing because this is something that, you know, people like do pay for is how to build an agency from scratch. This isn't some like high tech shit that'll get you like $1 million fucking dollars. This is a great, start of foundation to build an agency if that's what you're really interested in, because it's a really good business to run and all that shit. Like I like it. I enjoy it. But what are we going to be building today? We're going to be building the tally workflow inbound. So I showed you guys this in a previous video, and it was this whole shebang. This whole shebang. The tally forms. So this is inbound. So this is someone filling out the form on your website. Holy shit, that's loud. But yeah, as I'm saying, this is from someone filling it out on your website, making a request to you. And then if it filters out, and then if it's like spam or it sucks, not a good lead. It just goes in here and says, hey, this lead isn't good, right? I think it's this one. Yeah, low quality. And then this one is, yeah. So this one is if they schedule out of hours, this just gets sent back for them to resubmit. But I've shown you guys all this. But we're actually gonna clean this shit up. I've been wanting to do this for a while. So actually, I'm gonna be building a brand new, because like the Google Calendar like kind of like half works for me. I never really fixed it. The emails are kind of getting shitty. The Airtable, which is just a CRM, this doesn't really need to be there. If we have a Google Sheet, this doesn't necessarily need to be there anymore. And I wanted to add a Discord thing to it. It could be Slack either way. Just go watch the video on Make. It would be exactly like that. But I prefer Discord because I use Discord. So yeah. But we are going to build this from scratch. So from here to here to here. I mean, these two nodes, easy. This one, easy. I'll show you guys how to make a form and the template I suggest. It's free to make a form. It's free to run forever. It's not like 50. You can only get 50 requests a month. It's unlimited. All this is free. So this is a really useful video if you guys are interested in this agency bullshit. And the next boot camps are going to be like the cold email outbound, the lead scraper, holy voice crack, the reply detection, the follow-up sequence, and then the error triggers. I'll do the error trigger for this. I mean, I don't really need to necessarily, but yeah. So I am gonna get everything set up for everything. I'm gonna create a new sheet, but because I'm cleaning everything out, kind of giving it like a new fresh start with this. It's just to make it a little bit better, optimize it a little bit, and so yeah. So I will be right back. Here's where get some editing in, get some editing, and I'm not gonna edit this shit. But this is gonna be a long ass video, so make sure to tune in for the whole thing. And damn, it's already been 7 minutes, bro. Fuck my life. Holy shit. But yeah, so I'm gonna get everything set up to get going. So I'll see you guys in a second. Dude, they're going crazy right now. But all right, so go over to Tally. I'll give a link in the description. Little promo, little promo, little promo, baby. Let's get it. So the whole form thing. So here's my website. This is what it is. Shebang. You could shebang it up a little bit more, but this is really kind of, it's simple, it's basic, and it works. That's the thing. So let's just take that out. So here is what mine is. Thank you for contacting us. We'll be in touch. So this is mine. Um, then you just click publish. But here, I will show you. So new form, use a template. It's contact form. Oh fuck, use this template. And then so blah 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 blah. So, what does what does mine have? Okay, preferred date, time. So here, let's just fuck. Short answer, and then take this out. Fuck. All right, whatever. Fuck this. I'm not gonna do that. I don't really care. Well, yeah. So you can make it however you want. This is how I format mine. Now you go over. I don't know why Cowork's open. So here, actually, let me just delete this. First step. First step. Search up Tally. Tally trigger. Shebang. Connect your API. So create new credential and holy stutter, and then you just connect it. You just sign in. So and then the form name or ID. Boom. Step one done. Shibby. And then you want to add an if node. And then here, let me just and then Gmail, send a message. Dude, holy shit. These things are going off. Wait, hold up. So I'm actually gonna script something up, put it in a Google Doc real quick, and then I'm gonna show you guys everything. So I will be right back. Okay, so a little bit of change of plans. So I had some restructuring to do, and so here we are. So what you want to do is, after your tally, add a basic LLM. Basic LLM. This right here. Shebang. Because here, because where is it? As you see in here, it has this HTTP request. The LLM is just a cleaner node, and then just throw in Anthropic chat model. So then you just look up Anthropic chat model. Shebang. So this is what you want to have. So this pulls the inquiry from the form. So it takes the name, the company, and the message. And then what you want to do, at least this is what I did. You could format this any other way you want, but this is what I put. Reply with exactly one word, yes or no, no explanation. This is a genuine, genuine specific business need mention references their company, not genuine spam, generic template, testing junk submissions or no real business given context. Shebang. So that filters out everything. And then this Anthropic, it decides that. And then you go over to if. So this is what we will be I'm spacing. Open a brew real quick. Yeah. So if the inquiry is yes, and then what we will do is Google Sheets, append but before we run this, let's throw in an inquiry. So here, I'm gonna do a little bit of shebang real quick and put something in and then execute, and then that will give us the information if everything is running good so far. And so yeah, I'll be right back. All right, we're back. So a little bit of change of things. So with Tally, it gives you um, unique form IDs. So for me to not really expose myself, I'm just playing it safe, tight shit. Um, I'm not really gonna expose myself. But what you'll do is you will make a sheet. This is what mine looks like. So first name, last name, email, phone number, company name, website, preferred date, preferred time, message, lead status, date received, follow up sent, and replied. But yeah, so what you want to do is, so I think we went over this. Yeah, we did. So here's the next one. Pen, row, and sheet. So what you want to do is you want to connect your Google Sheets account, sheet within document, not document, and then append a row, not append or update, append. And then document, so you just click, as you can see, a bunch of shit pops up. This is what, oh shit. And then sheet one or sheet two, whatever sheet, and then map each column. So this is what you would do. So for each of these questions, tally is they're unique to every, so where these X's are, that's where you're gonna put the tally form ID for every single one. The X's are just me, don't want to put anything out there. I don't think that my IDs would be, anything horrible if they got leaked or whatever. But I'm just playing it cool. You just put your form ID from the questions into there, and then lead status, qualified. And then this is what you put for the date, year, month, day. Follow up sent no, reply no. So you want to put those at no because another workflow that we're going to build in a different video is going to be updating that. But so far we have the form, the LM chain. If it's qualified, it's qualified. Yes, goes into the sheet. So we have our leads in a sheet so far. So what happens next? Well, I'm about to show you. I'll be right back. All right, we back. All right, so what you're gonna want to do next after the Google Sheet? So I already completed it, but so you just go over here, AI agent. You click this, shebang. So it will have it as connected chat trigger node. Switch it to divine below, and then you just put in what you put in on the other node. Oh, my days. And then you want to go to options and well, I can't add it now, but add system message. And then this is what you're explaining. So this is what I put. You're the inbound assistant for Tanner AI, an AI automation agency that helps small businesses automate missed call response, lead follow up, and booking. Qualified lead is just message, blah, blah, blah. Guidelines reference something specific from their message, briefly confirm what Tanner AI can do if they mention a preferable date, blah, 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 and with one clue of friction step. Never invent pricing, guarantees, or specific rules. Sign off as Tanner, not Tanner. Perfect. And then what you're going to want to do, so you're going to see chat model, memory, and tool. I don't use tool because tool was kind of like I don't know, it was kind of hit or miss. So I just made, because you can put the calendar, Gmail into it, whatever. Kind of really, it was just hit or miss. So those will be the next nodes, of course. But what you're going to want to do is you want to pick a chat model. You can pick any model, as you can see. I'm actually going to use Sonnet 5. But any of these, or you could use you can not use Anthropic. You can use OpenAI, whatever, and then simple memory. It's you don't have to do anything. It just needs its memory. But so what are we going to do next? We're going to add the Gmail, the calendar, the Google Sheet, and then the Discord. And so I will set up the the Gmail and the Google Sheet. I'll be back in a jiffy. All right. All right. So what we're gonna do next after the AI agent, I'm gonna make this quick because this video is getting long. Um, Gmail, send a message. So you just go to here, search Gmail, send a message. Boom. All right, connect your Gmail, message, send, and then the email, and then subject. You can put whatever. This is your inquiry to Tanner AI. HTML message, just the output from the agent from right here. Next up, calendar. So I actually just had to reset my credentials. But don't spam my email, please, or else I will kill every single one of you. But you want to do a resource event. Don't do any of this other shit. And then you want create. We don't want delete, update, or anything. Create. And then calendar, just pull it from your thing, or you can just create one. I just have one calendar. But start time. This is what you're gonna want to put. And then end. Shipping. You want to put that. And then this is a little bit something, so anything doesn't get really mixed up with everything. And this was kind of like what I didn't do. I didn't put any of these additional fields. So I just kind of just had calls just on there. But attendees, just email of the person. That just pulls the email from, the inquiry, whatever. Description, the message they sent. And then summary. So technically this is the title, but call with first name, last name, company. Cool. Cool. All right. We got two more nodes left. We got Google Sheets and then Discord. Or you could use Slack, but I'm going to show you Discord. So I'm going to get those two riled up and I will BRB. Home stretch, ladies and gentlemen. Bro, my dog is super scared right now. Man, fuck fireworks, man. Save the dogs. Save the dogs. All right. Last two nodes. Let's get this working. So let's get it all straightened out real quick. Let's get a little wave right there. Ooh. Oh my god, I need more beer, bro. Fuck. Damn, bro, I sound like a fucking dork. Anyways. Update row and sheet. this is what you want to do. So what this will do is, this is after you make contact with the inquiry. Damn, he's licking, bro. I gotta get away from him. All right, so you're gonna use the same sheet and then map each column manually. Oh shit, my bad. You're supposed to do update row and sheet. Column to match, email. So this just identifies the person. Email using to match, and then it just pulls the email. And then go down here, lead status. So first we had it at qualified. Now it's contacted. Wow. Follow up sent. Yes. Replied. Yes. Not much explaining to do there. But, and then here we go. I didn't have this in the first one. Discord. But, so, Discord bot. Send a message. You want to have it as a, well, you can have it as a bot token, an oath, or a OAuth 2, and then, or a webhook, or a bot token. I don't know, whatever. Those are the three. I have it as, holy shit, bro, you're licking like crazy, bro. I have it as a webhook. So this is what I put. Name, company, email, message, preferred. Shabang! Shabby! So I just made this new server. Will you guys join it? Fuck no. But, what did I do? Hopefully this doesn't, like, expose me. I got one webhook. Tanner AI Assistant. Shabby! That's it. That's it, man. That's crazy work. But yeah, so, that is the workflow. Finished product. So I just showed you. So pretty much all you have to do is you can copy this whole exact thing. Just don't use Tanner AI. Oh, you also got to publish this bitch to run it. I'm not gonna give you a run because like low key tally's kind of being fucking weird right now. I think it's down or at least something's bugging because whatchamacallit. I don't. It's just I think it's down. I looked it up. There's something with N8N that's also kind of fucked up right now. But as I'm recording this, but it should be good. But the only thing that you have to update is all these X's, put them as your tally ID. So these will be all unique and different. And also, if you want, you could add a email right here that says your or you got an unqualified lead. I really don't think that's much, but here we go. So a little quick run through. So client submits a form. The LLM clarifies if it's a genuine response and uses Anthropic. You could use whatever, OpenAI, Grok, whatever. Then it gets passed to the if node, and if it's a yes to the lead, then it goes to here into your sheet and it gets all their information that was submitted from the form into the sheet. Then it goes to the AI agent. The AI agent then produces an email to send to them. You know, uses Anthropic again, simple memory. Really not a lot of setup here. You just give it a prompt and it will follow it. And then it sends the email to the person about the inquiry, sets up a date in the calendar for you guys to get on a call. So this is kind of just a confirmation email being like, yeah, like, you know, we got it, you know, here's what we'll cover, whatever. And then pretty much this email just dictates what was said in here. And then it gets updated here to, um, bro, did this dude just piss him off? Damn, bro. Bro just peed on me. Whatever, bro. About to play some like Valorant or some shit. But yeah, and then you don't. This could be Slack. I use Discord, and then once all of this is done, it goes to my Discord, and then it'll be like first name, last name, company, message, preferred date, whatever. So there we go. That is it, everybody. So that is how you build an inbound workflow. Now, I will post a short once sorry. Once kind of everything is like not being like jitter jattery, and I'll also post a short on how to run localhost. Really easy. Those will be coming in the next coming days. But yeah, that is it. Hopefully you guys stay till the end for this. I know I didn't. I kind of showed like 90% of the build process, but that 10%, it's really easy to figure out. But that is it. Um, that is how you build an inbound workflow. Shibby. So hopefully you guys have a safe 4th of July. And if you guys do not have a Tally account, N8N account, links are down below. And yeah, give me pay, bro. Give me pay, bro. Type shit, give me pay, bro. Use those two. Use those two. But yeah, so next one we'll be doing the cold email outbound for the agency setup. And so yeah. And we'll also be integrating some Discord into that. Whatever. But that is it. Hopefully you guys stuck around for this long video. I'm not gonna edit this shit like at all. I'm gonna be honest. And because I'm trying to play some fucking games right now and drink some beer. It's 4th of July. But yeah, that's about it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. You know, if you guys don't have accounts for Tally NAN, links below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. July finna be a banger month. I'm letting y'all know.